Hi folks, in this tutorial we are going to see about Appium. This will be the part 1 video. The topics we are going to be covered is like what is Appium, so what is the use of Appium, so what are the features of it and its architecture, advantages, all those things we are going to be see here. First and foremost, basic Appium is an open source project and ecosystem. So it is mainly used for UI automation of any platforms, any mobile based, browser based, desktop based, TV based, any kind of applications we can do automation testing with the help of Appium. It also supports cross platform. So Appium is mainly designed for testing the mobile applications. Multiple devices we can test parallelly using Appium. That is the main feature of Appium. In the field of test automation, we have many tools for testing web applications. So and for desktop application also, for mobile applications we have the best possible tool to test is Appium only. So it's actually testing the UI of the mobile applications, and it is fast, scalability, and speed. The advantage of Appium is we can write Appium code in Java, Python, Ruby, JavaScript, and many more languages. That is the main focus of Appium, to use any technology under it. This picture demonstrates we can test iOS based mobile applications, Windows based mobile applications, Android based mobile applications, tablets, PCs, desktops, laptops, any kind of crash platform supports, automation test cases, everything will be done here. It not only supports multiple programming languages, it also supports Selenium also. So we can use the knowledge of Selenium will be helpful while testing, while writing the code for Appium. So it supports many languages like Python, JavaScript, so Java, PHP, like that. So any knowledge on any technology, any programming language will be helpful for developing Appium applications. Features of Appium includes it doesn't require any application source code or library. So Appium provides a strong and active community. So any kind of helps we can get from the community, and any type of improvements will be immediately posted on the community. It has active multi-platform support, so we can run test cases on multiple platforms, and it also allows to parallelly execute the test scripts. In Appium, a small change does not require reinstallation of the application, so we can just use the same application, and it supports many programming languages as I said earlier, and it also supports the Selenium client library. The Appium architecture includes Appium client is there, so we can invite a program in any language where we can communicate with the HTTP request to the server. So entire JSON web protocol will be responsible for transferring the client code to the Appium server. So we establish a session with the client, and thus it uses the UI automation for iOS, UI automated for Android to simulate the same application code with the iOS and Android applications. It basically works with like the driver script will be communicated to the Appium server, so which uses XCUI test, a UI automator to test the devices and the device emulators. So based on Android, iOS, any kind of applications. And on the other side, you can see like it uses the W3C protocol standard, which has Appium client libraries and scripts, Java client, JavaScript, Ruby, Python, any programming languages that we get in the client libraries will be communicated to the Appium server, and thus Appium uses Appium plugins and Appium drivers to communicate with the Android iOS applications. So the Selenium, how the Selenium works with the Appium is displayed here. So we have a Selenium client library and all the jobs representing the Selenium. So we access a client and send commands HTTP request to the Appium server via JSON wire protocol. JSON wire protocol contains all the capabilities and configuration sets in the code, which is then communicated to the Appium server. Appium server is basically written in Node.js, but it supports all types of programming languages. Appium server creates an automation session for the client and checks the desired capabilities of client when Appium sends the server request to the IOA automator, Android or IOA automation. So then Appium server request will be processed by the UA automator for Android or UA automation for the iOS. Then the communication will be given to the UA automation request to bootstrap.js iOS mobile applications. Bootstrap jar works as a TCP server and then it executes the commands to the devices. That is how it is simulated here. Appium has many advantages. So it is an open source tool, so we can easily install and use freely. And then it is used for testing hybrid, native, and web applications. So like other tools, we could not need additional agents or third parties for testing these applications. So we can use Appium itself. So also additional features in Appium includes it is also useful for testing the desktop-based applications for Windows mobile application testing. It supports cross-platform. That is a very big advantage of using Appium. And there is a limitation. So Appium uses only UI automator for Android, but only supports Android SDK PI 16 or higher only. So the older versions you cannot able to directly make connection and test. So it also uses another open source library Cylinder to support the older APIs. So we can use those things. Some servers for support, card support.